Community in Bloom started in 2005. I started gardening in 2002 at Block 339, Jurong East Avenue 1 Community Garden. Community in Bloom support us with seeds and also our workshop and also lots of gardening guidance. When gardening with edibles started, our group learned how to grow microgreens, then tom yao using the water and soil, and then we also tried to grow more leafy vegetables. And then we shared it among all the gardeners and residents. I was appointed as a CIB ambassador in 2008. Over the past 20 years, I'm very proud to have won 2 Gardeners' Cup Awards in the Singapore Garden Festival. Also won some prizes in the edible competition and Garden of the Year Award, and recently the Top 50 CIB Awards.
I met Siew Kek when I went to Hot Park during the Gardener's Day Out. I was in the midst of setting up this garden, so I asked her to join in to help to set up this garden.
When she approached me to help, I was very happy to join her. We grow brinjals, lady's fingers, bayam, sweet potato leaves a lot. The edibles are actually harvested monthly and given to the CC to distribute to the needy families in Siglap.
Every month when the students harvest the vegetables from our indoor and outdoor farms, we contribute to the Yuhua Community Food Rescue Program.
The students here in Commonwealth can actually come up with values in action projects, and what they can do is to engage with the community gardeners to help them optimize on their operations and how they garden.
The Giving Garden at Kim Tian West here, we have about 95 registered gardeners. So the age group is from like primary school, and the oldest one is about 100 years old.
Other than gardening activities, we try to expand the gardener's knowledge through workshop and activities. So this includes stem cutting to therapeutic horticulture.
The orchid garden we see here was created in collaboration with the West Coast CC's Orchid Garden Lead, Elsie, and a dedicated team of garden volunteers. At Jamia Nursing Home, many of the resident activities now take place outdoors, where they enjoy spotting new bloom and admiring the vibrant colours of the orchids.
I'm very happy to see that the residents are actually enjoying themselves in the orchid garden. They have expressed a sense of calmness you can see in them, and it supports their well-being. It's also very good for our overall mental health.
I remember many years ago, CIB program primarily focused on community involvement and gardening.
The changes in CIB programs is that they are more into the areas of sustainability and also biodiversity. We have increased our land size to plant more varieties of edibles, ornamental and flowering plants to attract pollinators, to beautify our city in nature.
The gardeners all over Singapore are more in contact with each other. We will gladly collaborate, help each other with seeds cuttings, with setting up new gardens.
We receive a lot of support from agencies such as PA, Town Council, HDB and MParks. This enables us to grow our garden through collaboration and activities, leading to many new friendships.
Actually, my garden group feel very proud to be in the CIB program, because it's through CIB program that we get to bridge across and bring our CIB gardens into the nursing home. And when you see the residents enjoying the garden, we feel a sense of proudness in us, because we deliver joy, calmness, and mental wellness to the people who lives in the home.
So the CIB program has made it possible for my students to be active citizens in terms of greening the school, and in doing so, they are helping to green Singapore.
We hope more people knows about gardening and enjoy the program and activities.
We hope that our school will continue to be a role model for other schools and contribute to the greening of Singapore.
More gardeners coming to join us and have fun.
I hope the CIB continues to grow strong, just like the orchids in our garden.
Join us in celebrating 20 years of Community in Bloom and be a part of our growing community.